Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel my booking on Eurowings. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in eurowings.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the Explore, Book, Information, Flight and Hotel, My Trip and Check-in. In the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about it. And here we have the book a flight option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel my booking on Eurowings. So basically to do so, you need to firstly go here and book a flight, of course, so that you will be able to cancel it. Then go to the top right corner, click on the profile, click on My Flights. Here, when this screen opens, you have to go and enter all the information about your flight, so that you can, of course, find your flight. And of course, at the moment, I don't have a flight, but if you have one, it will be here. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and find the flight, as I told you, and just go and cancel it. And by canceling the flight, of course, you won't be charged anything more, but of course, your flight will then be canceled, and you won't get any refund if you don't have the premium packages of Eurowings. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.